December 27th. Brought Eden out here after Mike shoveled. It's pretty deep.
Yeah.
All the neighbors are shoveling.
It's Dad. Dad.
You make a snowball?
Yuck.
Yuck. Are your hands cold?
Bird. Catch it. Wait. Go! Yuck. I have to shake it.
You have to shake it, that's right.